Life is more than the mere passage of time. It's a tapestry with countless experiences, each moment varying in levels of meaning to us. The final picture may not always be clear because some ties and knots are done incorrectly. But that does not mean one experience is more important than the other. Each thread connecting the picture to another is an experience, a challenge that we act upon towards our final destination. And each thread is acting as a stepping stone for us towards the unknown future. Instead of being passive observers of the clock's ticking, we are active participants in a symphony of moments that shape our existence. Allowing these experiences to unfold naturally and relinquishing control makes us enjoy the most of it. We don't always have to know the next step, and we don't always have to know what to do and what to act upon. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner toward personal growth and success. In this video, we're focusing on the power of motivation and encouragement. We give you 12 key components of motivation that can help you achieve a better, more meaningful life. We all know that life's not always sunshine and rainbows, and during times of despair, it's best to find motivation and encouragement from within and the people around us. So if you're needing that extra kick of motivation to get you going, you're in the right place. Relax, have a seat, watch this video, and find your motivation. Let's get started. Number 1. The power of discovery. Forcing control leaves us clenched, trapped in a perpetual cycle of striving for what not only can flourish through unhindered growth. The essence of life, much like the universe itself, is fundamentally playful, empty of any purpose. Sure, planning for a career and organized education is better than nothing, but don't let that stop you from enjoying the beauty of the unknown. Number 2. The power of emotion. Just as a dancer doesn't want to stay put while moving, they're constantly on the move, constantly looking for new ground and landing on where their body takes them. Life's very meaning is not found in a specific point and destination, it's found in living itself. Nevertheless, one of life's most daunting challenges is discerning when to break free from society's conventionally acceptable standards of living and challenge the status quo. Number 3. The power of perception. We can't just accept the world as it is handed down to us, nor should we settle with what we can only perceive right now. We have the power to change things. Just look at the history of the world. The most important discoveries and the most notable changes were achieved by challenging the norms and going above and beyond what was deemed impossible by the human brain. But the human brain is more capable than we think. Just listening to the right words could encourage someone to think more of themselves and do more for themselves. The right words could unveil untapped potential in people and should push the boundaries and encourage them. We can't just keep saying to a person that they're fine just the way they are, that their current state is good and it's no problem at all. Number 4. The power of truth. Just like it was said earlier, being told that one is okay can feel hollow and ineffective. Think of it this way, you're already suffering as it is and someone telling you, don't worry, you're okay just the way you are, you're in the right place, that doesn't necessarily make you feel good, doesn't it? But if someone telling you, it's hard right now and you're capable of so much more, that sounds more effective, right? Words that can encourage you to improve yourself. The pursuit of this better version of yourself and the meaning it brings holds the key to overcoming and getting over the storms you're currently experiencing. Number 5. The power of passion. When endeavoring to make steps towards your aspirations, remember to infuse your efforts with unwavering passion. Love what you're doing, enjoy it. Every step you take, every challenge you embrace is a reflection of the investments you make in your own life, and that is an investment that can't be measured by time or money. Therefore, summon your heart's full force when facing these pivotal moments in your life. Number 6. The power of self-assessment. As you confront challenges, take a moment to assess the obstacles standing in your path. What inhibits your progress? Why do you hesitate to act? What's stopping you from reaching your goals? examine your fears and confront them head on. In moments of avoidance, recognize the behavior and confront it with resolve. By taking down these barriers, you pave the way for growth and transformation. Number 7, the power of the right response. We get discouraged easily when faced with adversities, when plans don't go our way, and when expectations aren't met. It's easy to know how to respond when everything goes smoothly, but the true test lies in our reactions when faced with said adversity. In such moments, remember that not only your peers but also observers beyond your immediate sphere witnesses your response. Your approach to challenges, setbacks, and diversity is a source of inspiration for others. Embrace opposition not as an impediment, but as a platform for blessing those around you. Number 8, the power of direction. We are not only in this world to take up space or as decorations to fill the voids of time, we have a future much more important than that. Our mission is to leave the world in a better state than we found it, to continuously evolve and to foster progress. Let's never take our existence for granted, treating it as an awakening prompted by an alarm clock. Instead, perceive life as a crucible for determining where you belong and where you're meant to go. Number 9, the power of trials. Suffering, rather than that unfortunate plight, can be seen as a valuable tool for fortifying and strengthening the mind. It's all in your perspective and how you see things. Your brain is what shapes and interprets these circumstances, rather than viewing suffering as a woe-begotten state. Reframe it as a test, a trial that hones your character. It's a signal from the universe, a signpost directing you towards growth. Even in moments of depression, consider it a challenge to overcome, an opportunity for introspection. Number 10, the power of action. Now is the time to act, to contribute your unique brick to the ever-progressing path of humanity. You might think that just one person acting and going over the walls of normality would not make such a big impact on the world, but it does. Your actions inspire others to do as you do, and those little movements, those little acts of grandeur build up and compile together to make something bigger, to create a more noticeable difference. This is why working with your peers and family, having a team, is a valuable asset to hold on to. Number 11, the power of influence. With your team, learn how to be a leader. Leadership is not something that comes naturally, but it's always right there waiting to be used, and it's up to you to seize the mantle. But don't overwhelm yourself by doing everything at the same time. Come up with a system one step at a time and familiarize and master each skill through consistent practice. Number 12, the power of perseverance. Persistence is key. Never waver in your commitment to learning, adapting, and evolving. Learn how to embrace challenges knowing that their resolution yields life's most precious treasures. Life's journey unfolds the present, with every moment contributing to the mosaic of experiences. Remember, as much as life is seen as a beautiful unfinished painting, it actually feels more like an unfinished painting but further cut up into the hardest jigsaw puzzle to solve. Each piece is a challenge or an opportunity ready to be filled with your colors. And as you finish each painting, they connect and help you move on to the next one. But sometimes you don't get to connect the correct pieces. And sometimes you're not even using the correct color of paint. As the picture grows clearer, as the pieces start to make more sense, and as you get to the end of your masterpiece, you can find and learn from your mistakes. But take your creation one step at a time. The key is to focus and embrace the now while opting for growth, seeking change, and striving for progress. Patience and perseverance will get you there. The rewards that come from paying the price of effort and determination are profound. They encapsulate the essence of life's truest treasures. So march forward with unwavering resolve. You hold your pacing and you walk towards the finish line at your speed. Don't be deterred by challenges, they are key factors in learning and hold important lessons with each mistake and each achievement. Being steadfast in your pursuit of growth, devotion, and commitment will be hard to hold onto most of the time, but they will be your most powerful weapons against adversaries. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we hope you stay motivated in life.